Money. We all want it, we all need it. But are we friends, or are we foes in a never-ending battle? Let's face it, managing money can feel like trying to herd cats. It's messy, it's unpredictable, it's like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. And sometimes it just disappears. One moment it's there, the next it's gone without a trace. But guess what, it doesn't have to be this way. You can take control and make money work for you. A budget is like your financial GPS. It shows you the way, guiding you through the financial maze. It guides you towards your goals, whether it's saving for a new car, a dream vacation, or just building a safety net. No more wondering where your money went. No more scratching your head at the end of the month. No more late-night panics about bills. Imagine the peace of mind knowing everything is under control. A budget gives you control. It puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. Think of it this way. Want to buy that fancy coffee every day? Fine, go ahead and enjoy it. But also want to go on vacation? You can have both. A budget helps you decide. It's all about choices. It's about making informed decisions. It's time to make money your friend. Ready to take charge? Let's do this. Together, we can turn the tide and make financial freedom a reality. First things first, we need to play detective. Let's track down every dollar coming in and going out. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Start with your income. Salary, side hustle, that inheritance from your long-lost uncle, write it down. Next up, expenses. Rent, groceries, those online shopping sprees, we've all been there. Track them all. Apps and spreadsheets make this super easy. This might be a little eye-opening, maybe even a little terrifying, but knowledge is power. Now you see the battlefield, you can start strategizing. Time for the fun part. Goals. This is where you get to dream big and think about what you truly want in life. What do you want your money to do for you? Think about your long-term aspirations and how your finances can help you achieve them. Travel the world? Early retirement? Imagine the possibilities and let your dreams take flight. Or maybe it's something simpler, like finally buying that lifetime supply of avocados you've always joked about. Write down your goals, both big and small. Putting them on paper makes them more tangible and achievable. Now, let's be real for a second. It's important to balance your dreams with a dose of reality. You probably can't buy a private island tomorrow, unless you've been really good at this whole money thing. But that's okay. This is where realistic budgeting comes in. It's about making a plan that aligns with your financial situation. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps. This makes them less overwhelming and more manageable. Want to buy a house in 5 years? Start by researching the market and understanding what you need to save. Start saving a little each month. It all adds up. Consistency is key, and over time you'll see your progress. Section 4, Needs versus Wants, the Budgetary Showdown. Here comes the ultimate showdown, needs versus wants. Needs are your essentials, rent, food, utilities. Wants are the fun stuff, vacations, fancy dinners, that new gadget you absolutely don't need, but really, really want. Look at your expenses. Can you downsize your apartment, cook at home more often, find a cheaper phone plan? Remember, we're not talking about deprivation here. It's about being smart. You can still enjoy the good things in life, just maybe not every single day. Section 5, Slashing expenses like a financial ninja. Time to unleash your inner bargain hunter. There are tons of ways to save money without becoming a hermit. Negotiate your bills, shop around for better insurance rates, use coupons, buy used instead of new, become a master of the sale rack. Remember those wants we talked about? Pick and choose. Maybe you skip your daily latte and put that money towards a weekend getaway instead. It's all about priorities. Section 6, The Sweet Rewards of Budgeting. Hint, it's not just about money. Stick to your budget and watch the magic happen. When you commit to a budget, you set the stage for incredible transformations in your financial life. Debts shrink, savings grow. That dream vacation, it's getting closer every day. But here's the best part. Budgeting isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Less financial stress means more mental peace. You'll sleep better at night. You'll be more confident in your decisions. So go ahead, take control of your finances. You've got this. And remember, budgeting doesn't have to be boring. Get creative, have fun, and enjoy the journey to financial freedom. Imagine the relief of seeing your debts diminish, the joy of watching your savings grow, and the excitement of planning that long-awaited vacation. Budgeting is a powerful tool that brings not just financial benefits, but also emotional and psychological rewards. It empowers you to make confident decisions, reduces stress, and allows you to sleep peacefully, knowing you are in control. Embrace the process, find ways to make it enjoyable, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Financial freedom is within your reach, and the journey there can be incredibly rewarding.